The compact Pixel is finally here. Rumors suggested for quite some time that Google was about to unveil a more compact Pro model, and now it's finally here. Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. While we can't call it official yet, the leaks reveal the hands-on images of the upcoming Pixel series. The introduction of two distinct Pro models isn't entirely unprecedented, as Apple has been following a similar strategy with its iPhones, releasing Pro and Pro Max models that boast superior camera hardware. Yes, that's Pro models plural, as it's believed Google is releasing both a Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL in the fall, with the latter phone offering a larger screen. And now you can see an image of all those Pixel 9 models together. The photos come from the Russian website Rozette. According to Rozette's leaks, the Pixel 9 series features three different models: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The leak doesn't contain any photos of the Pixel 9 Pro, which is thought to be the name of the follow-up to the Pixel Fold. As you can see in the images, the phones contain a lot of the details we've already heard about the Pixel 9 series, such as the rounded corners and pill-shaped camera bar. On previous Pixels, the camera bar extended across the back of the phone. Rozette's post also lists some Pixel 9 specs. Based on a translated version of the post, the standard Pixel 9 would have 12 GB of RAM and at least 128 GB of storage. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL are set to feature 16 GB of RAM and a base storage of 128 GB. Considering that 128 GB is now the minimum storage option in today's smartphone market, it's quite pleasing to see the regular Pixel 9 come with 12 GB of RAM, especially since all storage and RAM configurations of the Pixel 8 came with 8 GB of RAM only. Pixel 9 features a 6.24-inch screen. Pixel 9 Pro has a 6.34-inch screen, and Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a 6.73-inch screen. Considering that the regular Pixel 8 had a 6.20-inch screen, it's noteworthy that Google now offers Pro cameras and maintains the compact size at the same time. Additionally, PPI values of the screens are 425, 493, and 487 respectively. Furthermore, the bezels of the Pixel 9 are slightly thicker compared to the Pro models. All phones' displays feature a 120Hz refresh rate, while the regular Pixel 9 comes with a 0.5x and 1x dual camera setup. Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL feature a triple camera setup consisting of 0.5x, 1x, and 5x lenses. All cameras are 50 megapixels. Additionally, while the Pixel 9 lacks UWB, the 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL support it. Previous leaks had suggested slightly smaller screen sizes for the Pixel 9 and the more compact Pro model. While the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro are the same size, a slender bezel on the Pro model allows it to have a larger screen. Connectivity should also receive a healthy dose of updates, as the modem will reportedly be faster and more power efficient than the current generation. Of course, these are the usual features we expect to see in new devices, but there's a chance Google could make several new AI features and hardware improvements that could make the next generation even more appealing. All three phones have 50 megapixel main cameras, no change from the Pixel 8. They're also expected to feature a new Tensor G4 chipset. All three devices are powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC, and while the Pros support UWB, the vanilla model does not. As you can see in the leaked images, the new design of the Pixel 9 family loses the edge-to-edge visor look on the rear for the camera island and makes the frame fully flat. The Google Pixel 9 series is expected to launch sometime in October and come with Android 15 out of the box. If the rumors are true, the newly launched Pixel 8a might be the last A-series phone. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news.